Guys, so welcome to the video today. So today I'm going to show you how you can earn money from your website. Yes, that's correct. If you have a blog and you have traffic, why not turn that into money? And I know that Google AdSense is one of the famous platforms where you can earn money as a publisher, but you find that other publishers, they find it difficult to partner with Google AdSense. And also this platform that I'm showing you about, and I'm gonna show more about this platform on how you can earn money. With this platform you can earn more. So if you're a publisher, you have a website, you have a blog, you have a traffic, you don't even have to drive 100,000 people to your website. Even you can have like 10,000 visitors to your website, you can start making money today. And as you can see here, the name of the platform is Magnet, right? And if you want to get started, make sure that you click on that link in my description. As you can see here, I'm on the home page. They can tell you here they are working with over 87,000 publishers. So this platform is very reputable, and if more than 80,000 can partner with this guys, it means that they do pay, and this is a legit platform, right? And people get a lot of money from this, and it's so easy. So if you want to get started, like I said, you have a website or a blog, you've got nothing to lose. This is how you make money while you're sleeping, by just showing it. So you might be asking, how are you gonna make money from this? Simple. You sign up. After you sign up, you put ads from Magnet, and then you get paid, right? Let's look at some of the things that they have here, because this is gonna help you to get passive income. You can still keep your day-to-day job and earn passive income, right? They also have the website value calculator, which I think is very helpful if you wanna get an estimation of how much you're gonna earn by placing ads on your website. You can add your website here, and they're gonna give you a report, which I think is really cool, because for some, maybe you're not sure if you're gonna make that much with this platform. Well, they have the website value calculator, and as I said, look at this. This is just the screenshots of the amount that they pay to some of the publishers. Imagine getting this while you are keeping your day-to-day job. So this is just a great way to make passive income. And you have some of these guys here who are real people. You can even search them. This is how much they tell you that they earn with this platform. You can see you have a potential of earning even $20,000 and even more just from this platform here. And as you can see here, you can stop losing this $50 a day and start earning it by just signing up with this platform. And once you sign up here, because this is the website very that I was telling you about. If you show simply add your website. Let's do this here. So this one is the field complete. Simply add your website, and obviously select the category that your website is in. If your website is about business services, you're gonna select this, and obviously if it's in clothing, you can select just any category from there. Now once you sign up using the link in my description, your account is gonna look like this, right? Let me show you one of the good things, which is great. You can, if your website, you are hosting it on WordPress, they've got a plugin, so it is simple to connect this website. Your website with their plugins. So once you connect their plugins to your website, then you can even decide which placement that you like to put on your website and start making money today. And obviously, as you can see here you're gonna see the balance. You can see here I've recently added this here, and I haven't made much, but then as you can see, if you want more information, you can always, once you sign in, and watch the video here. But to connect this is so easy. Well guys, this is how you make an extra money using your website or blog, right? If you have any questions, please let me know in the description, and don't forget to sign up using the link in my description. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.